what? dy by d theta as 4 cos theta minus cos square theta upon 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Okay, I have to prove that it is greater than or equals to 0. It is greater than or equals to 0. Why? Then only the function is increasing. For simply increasing, so greater than or equals to 0, f dash of x or dy by dx or dy by d theta is greater than or equals to 0. Equals to 0 is also admissible. For increasing, strictly increasing, greater than 0 is to be taken. Is strictly increasing, greater than 0. Simply increasing, greater than or equals to 0 is admissible. Okay. Now we have to prove now this particular expression is greater than or equals to 0. So look here, 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Let us consider part by part, numerator as well as denominator separately. 2 plus cos theta the whole square. Square of a number is always greater than or equals to 0. Square of a number will never be negative. Negative ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ cos theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? cos theta sin theta lies between -1 to +1. cos theta and sin theta lies between -1 to +1. Therefore, ಇದು -1 ಅಂದರೆ 2 -1 1 square is greater than 0. And ಇದು +1 ಆದ 1 2 + 1 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, no chance of it is equals to 0. Equals to 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ cos theta is -2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. Not possible. Therefore, so it is strictly greater than 0. Therefore, denominator is greater than 0. Now, what about numerator? Let's see. 4 cos theta minus cos square theta. That is cos theta. Since it is an armor, cos theta common netted. 4 minus cos theta. So, it is greater than or equals to 0. Yake greater than or equals to 0? Cos theta maximum positive is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Hagagi negative ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ chance ಇಲ್ಲ. Because cos theta is because -1 less than or equals to cos theta less than or equals to 1. ಸರಿನಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Because cos theta the maximum value is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 ಆಯ್ತು. Cos theta 1 takes 5, 6, 7, etc. Cos theta value, whatever be the angle theta, lies between -1 to +1. Therefore, 4 minus 1, 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ -1 ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡ 4 minus of -1, 5 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರೋದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ cos theta may be equals to 0. The given interval is 0 to pi by 2. Closed interval. Therefore, so when theta is pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0. Therefore, 0 into 4 into 0. That's equals to 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ equals to 0ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. Equals to 0 ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. Greater than or equals to 0. Greater than or equals to 0 for all theta belongs to, for all theta. Okay. Belongs to which one? For every theta. All the, for every theta belongs to 0 to pi. Equals to 0 ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ cos pi by 2 ಅಲ್ಲ? So given interval is 0 to pi by 2. Closed interval. Therefore, theta may be even pi by 2 also. When theta is pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0. 4 minus cos pi by 2, 4 minus 0, 0. Otherwise, positive. Negative ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 0 to pi by 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ. So it is negative ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥ cos theta is always positive in 0 to pi by 2. Even 0 ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? So that's why. So because -1 less than or equals to cos theta less than or equals to 1. Okay. So they burial better because. So these are the two explanations. Therefore, it is maybe greater than or equals to 0. It is greater than 0. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ is greater than or equals to 0. Denominator is greater than 0. Positive. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Positive upon positive. Positiveನೇ ಬಂತು. Greater than 0 means positive. ಹೌದಾ? Positive or 0. ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ positive. Positive upon positive is positive. 0 upon a positive number is 0. Therefore, it is equals to greater than or equals to 0. ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ erase ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? So, erase ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು set. Now, 4 minus cos theta minus cos square theta equals to 4 common. No, sorry, cos theta common. Cos theta common. It is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಗಡಬಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು 30 minutes ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಶೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಗಿಯತ್ತಿನ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಡಬಡೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ. So 4 minus cos theta it is greater than or equals to 0 for every theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2, because it is therefore dy by theta is equals to 4 cos theta minus cos square theta. Numerator is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಬರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. Greater than 0 is strictly positive. Therefore 0 upon 0 greater than 0 is 0 only. 0 upon greater than 0 is 0, and even positive upon positive other than 0. A positive number upon positive number is positive number only. Therefore it is greater than or equals to 0. Greater than or equals to 0 for every theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. ಏನಿದು theta 0 to pi by 2 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ this particular expression is minimum ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, otherwise more than 0 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore because of this discussion, therefore so the function y in case of instead of dy by dx, the f of x here, the given function is y. The given function is initially y. Therefore, so say f dash of x is greater than or equals to 0, one and the same as dy by dx is greater than 0, greater than or equals to 0, because dy by dx and f of x are one and the same. Therefore, the function y is the function y is equals to f of x. Always find it on y equals to f of x. Y is equals to, therefore the function y conclude, therefore the function y is equals to 4 sin theta upon 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing, simply increasing, is an increasing function. Increasing function is an simply increasing, not strictly, okay, is an increasing function in closed interval. Whenever increasing is there, strictly word is not there, then closed interval should be taken, because at the boundary values dy by dx means f dash of x may be equals to 0. At the boundary value, in y equals to theta equals to pi by 2 here, theta boundary value, theta equals to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, cos square pi by 2 is 0, therefore 0 I cos pi by 2 is 0, no? Therefore 4 into 0 is 0, minus 0 square is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 upon something is 0 only. 2 plus cos pi by 2 is 0, 2 square is 4, 0 upon 4, 0, 0 upon 4, 0 upon anything is 0, except 0 by 0. Therefore it is equals to 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Boundary values ನಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. dy by dx or f dash of x will be 0 in the boundary values. Therefore boundary values should be included to get dy by dx or f dash of x is equals to 0. Therefore closed interval, when the interval includes the boundary values, if it is closed square bracket. So try this one as a homework. The domain of x is greater than minus 1 means minus 1 to infinity. Try this one, let's see. Log 1 plus x, an increasing function throughout its domain. Given that x is greater than 1 means the domain is minus 1 to infinity. X is greater than 1 means the domain is set of x's. Okay, set of x's in the domain. In a function y equals to f of x, all possible values of x in the domain. Set of x's in the domain. X is greater than minus 1, clearly it is given. Therefore the domain is minus 1 to infinity, because log function 1 takes what it is, minus 1 to infinity. It is open. Greater than 1 means 1 will not be included. More than 1. Therefore minus 1 to infinity, open interval, not closed. Is an increasing. So increasing means strictly increasing here, whatever it may be. Increasing function throughout its domain, minus 1 to infinity. Strictly increasing means increasing. So increasing does not imply strictly increasing, but strictly increasing implies increasing. Okay. See, simply increasing is the strictly increasing ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, boundary values equal to 0 ಆಗಬಹುದು. But ಅದೇ strictly increasing ಇದ್ರೆ increasing. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the increasing word ಬಂದಿದ್ದು wrong ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, because strictly increasing implies increasing, but simply increasing does not imply strictly increasing. Okay. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ? log of 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x. ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಪಟಾಪಟ್. Go through the solved problems. Now go through the solved problems. of this particular exercise. This is the end of what? Your increasing and decreasing function, and two more sections are left out. That is, one is tangent and normal, and another one is maxima and minima. Maxima and minima you can expect on 3 marks question. Examination point of view only I will take maxima and minima, because even in CET also you won't get maxima and minima questions. That's why. So examination point of view, so too many unnecessary theories are given in the textbook. So examination point of view, what are the necessary problem, what are the theory needed, that one only I will take. Okay. Y is equals to log of 1 plus 6 minus 2x upon 2 plus 6. X is greater than minus 1. That is, x belongs to domain is. Therefore, x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Greater than minus 1 means like this now. These are all greater than minus 1. Minus 1 to infinity. Okay. And differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to d by dx of log 1 plus x minus d by dx of 2x upon 2 plus 6. 2x upon 2 plus 6. d by dx of 2x upon 2 plus 6. Now log f of x differentiation, it is 1 upon f of x into d by dx of 1 plus 6. Simply x is not there. If log x is there, then its differentiation is 1 by x. Along with x, some equation of x is there, 1 plus x, therefore it is 1 upon f, 1 by f of x, log f of x, 1 upon f of x into d by dx of 1 plus x minus 2x, it is whole divided by 2 plus x the whole square into numerator, it is 2 plus x, quotient formula, u by d. 2 plus x into d by dx of 2x minus minus 2 plus x into 2x into d by dx of 2 plus x. It is 1 upon 1 plus x into the d by dx of 1 plus x. 1 is 0, x differentiation is 1. Okay. Minus it is 2 plus x into d by dx of 2x. 2 into 1. 2 now. I have to differentiate now 2x and 2 plus 6. After writing the quotient formula, then you have to differentiate the quantities in front of d by dx. Minus 2x into differentiation of 2 plus x, 1 whole divided by 2 plus x the whole square. That's equals to 1 upon 1 plus x minus 2 plus x into 2. That's 2 to the 4, x into 2 is 2x. Minus 2x into 1 is 2x whole divided by 2 plus x the whole square. Now 2x to x cancels. Okay, that's so 1 upon 1 plus x minus 4 upon 2 plus x the whole square. Strictly increasing for all x belongs to what? Minus 1 to infinity. Means I have to show that now dy by dx is greater than or equals to 0 for all x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Strictly the word is there, simply increasing is there. So means dy by dx is greater than 0 or even equals to 0 for all x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. I have to prove. Therefore, so this is in conclusion of that particular expression. I can't tell that it is greater than or equals to 0. Okay, it is 1 upon 1 plus x. LCM. Suppose you are unable to simplify it, and simply you write dy by dx is greater than or equal, because increasing is there, no? Therefore, increasing means dy by dx is greater than 0. So simply by putting greater than or equal to 0. You may lose 1 marks out of 3, but you will get definitely 2 marks. It is 1 upon LCM. So here it is 1 into 2 plus x the whole square. 1 plus x into 2 plus x the whole square. Okay. LCM. Therefore, this one into this one means 2 plus x the whole square. Minus 4 into 1 plus x. Okay. LCM is taken. This one into this one in the LCM. When direct multiplication in the LCM, shortcut method of LCM is this one into this one minus this one into this one. Okay. Now 2 plus x the whole square. It is a plus b the whole square. 4 plus x square plus 4x. Minus 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into x is minus 4x. Whole divided by 1 plus x into 2 plus x the whole square. Now 4x is cancelling. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus x square. dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to it is 8 plus x square divided by 1 plus x into 2 plus x the whole square. Here it is. 8 plus x square is always greater than 0. Greater than 0. Okay? Why greater than 0? Why greater than 0? Because x square of a number is equals to 0 or positive. Therefore, 8 plus 0. 8 greater than 0. 8 plus some positive number greater than 0. Because x square is greater than or equals to 0. Even though it is 0 or 8 on 8 plus 0 is another 8 greater than 0. At the same time, ಇದು positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Negative ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 8 plus positive number is also a positive number. Negative ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So 1 plus x is greater than 0 because x is greater than minus 1. ಇದು positive number ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x is greater than minus 1 here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಏನಿದೆ greater than minus 1. The domain of x here, x is minus 1 to infinity. No, x is minus 1. ಹೌದಾ? x is greater than 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus x is 0. In other words, x is greater than minus 1. ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದರೆ x plus 1 is greater than 0. Therefore, ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? x is greater than minus 1 is given. ಈಗ 2 plus x square is positive. Same reason ಅಲ್ವಾ? x ನೇ 0 ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x is 0, x is minus 1, x is minus 2 ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ because x is greater than minus 1 means okay, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, x take these values. X is minus 3 ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ it is 2 minus 3, minus 1, even minus 1 the square is also positive, greater than 0. ಮೂರು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ greater than 0 ಆಯಿತು. Therefore, is greater than or equals to greater than 0. Negative is chance ಇಲ್ಲ. It is greater than 0, it is greater than 0. A positive upon positive, a positive number. Positive upon positive, ಇದು positive number ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು positive number ಆಯಿತು, negative ಇಲ್ಲ. Positive upon positive ಇದೆ positive number. Even 0 ಕ್ಕೂ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ because 0 ಬರಬೇಕು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ is not 0, greater than 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That's why, therefore, y is equals to that function. What is that function? Log of 1 plus 6 minus 2 upon 2x. The 2x upon 2x is a strictly increasing function. Strictly increasing function for every x greater than minus 1. For every x belongs to, this is better, minus 1 to infinity. Okay? Minus 1 to infinity. For every x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Strictly increasing implies increasing. Okay? Strictly increasing implies increasing. Implies increasing. The ulta, increasing does not imply strictly increasing. Therefore, increasing. Y is an increasing function. Finally, increasing function in what? Minus 1 to infinity. That's all. In minus 1 to infinity. Go through the solved problems. Okay, one or two solved problems is there. One problem I will solve, last one. Find the interval. The solved one. Find the interval in which the function f of x is equals to. Find the interval. Interval in which the function f of x is equals to sin 3x. X belongs to 0 to pi by 2 closed interval is increasing. A increasing, B decreasing. First one, f of x is equals to sin 3x. F of x is equals to sin 3x. X belongs to 0 to pi by 2. In which the function f of x is equal to sin 3x, x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 is, first one is increasing, second one is decreasing. F of x is equal to sin 3x. Differentiating with respect to x. Interval is given. In this interval, in which interval it is increasing, in which interval sub-interval it is decreasing. The question is, in this particular interval of x, in which sub-interval it is increasing and which sub-interval it is decreasing is the question. Okay. F of x is equals to differentiating with respect to x. F dash of x, f of x differentiation, d by dx of f of x is f dash of x. Sin 3x differentiation is 3 cos 3x. Why? Sin ax as a shortcut. Sin ax differentiation is a cos ax, because d by dx of sin ax is a cos ax. D by dx of sin ax is equals to a cos ax. Therefore, f dash of x. Okay, take f dash of interval. I have to work out the interval. Therefore, take f dash of x is 0. Therefore, 3 cos 3x is equals to 0. To find the interval, you have to take f dash of x is 0. Means cos 3x is 0. Cos 3x is 0 implies cos ಯಾವಾಗ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Implies 3x is equals to pi by 2. Even 3x is equals to 3 pi by 2, or 3x is equals to 5 pi by 2 odd multiple of 5 pi by 2 is 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. 3x is equals to pi by 2. 3x is equals to pi by 2 because cos pi by 2 is 0. Even cos 3 pi by 2 is also 0. Implies x is equals to cos 3 pi by 2, cos pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, cos 7 odd multiple of pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, cos 9 pi by 2, odd into pi by 2, cos odd into pi by 2 is the cos of an angle. This angle is odd multiple of pi by 2. 1 pi by 2 is 1 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, cos 5 pi by 2, cos 7 pi by 2, etc. are 0. One value those timing. X is equals to pi by 6 ಆಯಿತು. X is equals to pi by 6. Cut off point 6 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 0 to pi by 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. 0 to pi by 2 0 to 90. Okay. 0 to pi by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi by 6 ಬಂತು. 0, 90, it is 30. Okay. Two intervals are given interval is 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, x is pi by 2 antalva. Sorry, x I got it as pi by 6. two intervals are one is what? 0 to pi by 6 and another one is pi by 6 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 6. Second one is pi by 6 to pi by 2. Illandi pi by 3 ಬರುತ್ತಾ 60 degree. 0 to 30. 30 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು pi by 12, 15 degree ಒಂದು 15 degree. Okay. Now, in which interval it is increasing and which interval it is decreasing is the question. A closed interval. Closed interval I will take. Okay. Because it is strictly increasing, simply increasing. Therefore, take simply increasing, take the closed interval. Okay. X is equals to pi by 12 belongs to 0 to pi by 6. Okay, 0 to pi by 6. Now, f dash of x is what? 3 cos 3x. That's equals to 3 into cos pi by 2. Cos 3 into pi by 12. I have taken x is equals to how much? So, f dash of pi by 12. 3 into cos pi by 12. 3 4s are. Therefore, it is equals to 3 into cos pi by 2. 3 1s are, 3 4s are. X is taken as pi by 2. One value I have taken. I got the two interval. In which interval it is increasing, in which interval it is decreasing. So take some simple value for x and just work out f dash of that particular value is positive or negative. The cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 3 by root 2. 3 by root 2 is a positive number. It is not a negative number. Minus is positive plus upon plus positive. Therefore, f of x is increasing in closed interval is increasing. In closed interval, it is 0 to pi by 6. Increasing is the word is that take the closed interval. Because at pi by 6, x is equals to exactly at x is equals to boundary value pi by 6. Therefore, f of x is increasing from 0 to pi by 6. Now, take another value interval x is equals to pi by 3 belongs to pi by 6 to pi by 12. Sorry, pi by 2. Another second interval is taken. F dash of pi by 3. Take another value for x in the second interval and work out whether it is positive or negative. That's equal to 3 cos 3 pi by 3. 3 cancel. F dash of x is 3 cos 3x. No. Cos pi. What is the cos pi? 3 cos pi equals to 3 into minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos 3 pi is minus 1. Cos odd multiple of pi is minus 1. Minus 3 less than 0. Therefore, f of x is decreasing in which interval? Pi by 6 to pi by 2. Pi by 6 to pi by 2. Okay. So when x is actually pi by 2, 3 cos 3 pi by 2. 3 cos 3 pi by 2 equals to cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Therefore, it will become even equals to 0 also. dy by dx will become, f dash of x will become equals to 0. So therefore, greater than or equals to 0, less than or equals to 0, then it is simply increasing or decreasing. Greater than 0 only, then strictly increasing. dy by dx is greater than 0 or dy by dx is less than 0, then it is strictly decreasing. Greater than or equals to 0, then simply increasing. At the boundary values, closed interval for increasing, closed interval is to be taken. For strictly increasing, open interval, because at the boundary values, so dy by dx may be equals to 0. Equals to 0 dy by dx equals to 0 belongs to the category of simply increasing or simply decreasing. Strictly greater than 0 only. Greater than or equals to 0 dy by dx, then it is simply